on a multi-platform trailer. Figure I'd do a video being that I'm loading out compost down here. So we'll get this done and we'll go up and show it being dumped. Working out great though. On about 13 and a half, 14 yards, a little 14 yards maybe of this in this trailer. So taking I don't know, probably 20 grossing out with that trailer, probably 28,000, 30,000, I don't know, somewhere around there. But either way, get it loaded up, we'll head it down, and dump it on the pile for B screen. Working out great though. So, my problem is, some things, the way I got those mounted those cylinders there, when they lift up, I do get compost in there, and it kind of gets caught in there and gets pushed into the seals and stuff, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. Other than that, working out great. A little complaints about it filling up kind of slow and coming down kind of slow, but because the cylinders are so big, I don't think the smaller cylinders would have worked on it. Some people say they would, but I don't think so. Just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So, just kind of, hey, not like I got an engineering degree on anything, but it's working out great though. So, I don't know if I'm going to say that in this video, but I figure I'll get it loaded up, take it down and dump it. Putting about, 10 scoops in this. So it's 16 by 8, a little over 8 foot wide in the side there. And those sides are 2 foot tall. And I heat it up pretty good. So with the measure, it was level, I think it's like 9 and a quarter, just under 9 and a quarter yards. So 8 foot wide, 60 foot long, foot tall. Times that together, divided by 27. Yeah, it should be about 9 and a quarter. Great, but once I put some air in it, get it flipped over a little bit, move it around, boy, it takes like 2 or 3 days and she straightens up pretty good. As far as this compost goes. Not bad digging it out here though. This tractor's heavy enough, 85 horse. 85P. So the other tractor, 85P, hauling that thing. I think he's doing awesome too. Not having to worry about it going up the driveway. It goes up the driveway, 2-wheel drive, which I'll show you when we go home in. But I want to get this one done here in the loading part. Lift axle there, front axle. Put that down below. We lift it up to get on the road. Then we get on the road, we take it, put it down. find that sharp curves or stuff like that, it's better off just having it up too. Like when we go in the driveway. I got 2 curves on my driveway. I gotta take it and lift it up until they have a second curve and then put it back down to the back. And we pick it back up when we get down back to position and pump it. So and I think it's so much better than running, you know. I don't get me wrong, running gear is better place too, but as far as backing up and doing quick turnarounds and stuff, go behind trailer is much better. You know, well, don't get me wrong, dump truck probably be even better, but like I said, you know, for this, you know, try to make a multi-platform vehicle or a trailer so that, you know, you can have just one set of running gear, or not running gear, but trailer gears, you know, like this. Instead of having, you know, investment of all those axles and everything else all over the place, I figure I'll just have the one set of tire axles, or axles, you know, trailer, and then be able to put your money into other platforms, you know. I mean, like this one, Dumpbox, I got a flatbed done, you see that in videos. And then you do a sprayer, manure spreader, anything you can get on. Anything you can get on there, you can get it on there, you know. Make a platform out of it. You know, water tanker, fucking watering system, sawmill. If you want to move the sawmill around, wood processor. And what else? Yeah, you can do a farm, you know, forestry, construction. I don't know what else there is. I'm liking it though. I can't believe how much this is hauling. My other gear, this is a 15-ton running gear. Probably got stretched out to about, I don't know. Up to about 32,000, you know, so 16,000 pound trailer, you know, the tractor and everything. Lift up the axle right now. Take them out about a month the road and show you. Yeah, this 85 horse is awesome on that trailer. Probably can go for a 130 though, you know, if you're gonna do more. I want to put the other trailer on the back. I got running gear that, like I told you, the 8-ton one, and I want to put that on the back. Not that I need to, I just wanna. There's the axle's going down. And there you go. Alright, I'll probably put this up as one video, then the other one dumping it, so I might smash them together. I don't know, this one getting 10 minutes long.